A third wave of COVID-19 infections is now sweeping across Europe. COVID-19 cases and deaths are on a rise, and the continent's slow vaccine rollout is aggravating the crisis further. Let's begin with France now. Angry Parisians express their frustration as France gets into its third nationwide 4-week lockdown, and people say that their businesses are already suffering and that the new restrictions will completely disrupt the already thin finances. Last week, the Macron government announced new measures to contain the country's worsening COVID crisis, and only essential businesses are allowed to remain open for the next 3 weeks. Schools, restaurants, movie theatres have all been ordered shut. Coming to Germany, thousands of people marched through the city of Stuttgart to protest against coronavirus-related restrictions. The protesters held banners that read, "There is no pandemic." Face mask requirements and social distancing rules were completely ignored at these protests. But the protests were believed to be largely peaceful. Romania, on the other hand, is now experiencing the same situation, where hundreds took to the streets of the capital, Bucharest, for the 7th straight day of demonstrations. The people are protesting against new measures imposed to curtail the spread of COVID-19. The new regulations include an 8 p.m. curfew, shorter shopping hours for hard-hit regions. The Eastern European country is currently battling a third wave of infections. Romania recorded its highest numbers of patients in intensive care units over the last week. WION World is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.